The Airbox Base is attached to the carburetor. It holds the air filter and the primer bulb. The air filter cover is attached to it. Most problems with the Airbox Base are the result of accidental damage, such as dropping the tool. Replacing the Airbox Base is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll start by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Now remove the two nuts that secure the airbox. With the nuts removed, I can pull the airbox away from the carburetor. Next, I'll remove the primer bulb from the airbox. The primer bulb is held in place with a couple of plastic tabs. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to squeeze the tabs and remove the primer bulb. Now I can install the new airbox. I'll snap the primer bulb back into the airbox, align the airbox with the studs, and secure it with the nuts. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the Airbox Base on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.